What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel, you guys. If you are new, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you guys can become a part of the Red family. So you guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Dossier. So before we get into today's vlog, I wanted to show you guys all the fragrances that I received. So I was sent over 2 different fragrances, you guys. So I'm gonna test these out and then let you guys know my opinion on them. Okay guys, so the first scent that I'm going to be doing a review on, you guys, is the Floral Violet, you guys. So it comes with this little note. It tells you all about Floral Violet. So the notes in this fragrance starts with top notes, which is watermelon, pomelo, strawberry. The middle notes are violet, gardenia, and jasmine. The base notes are musk, vanilla, blonde, wood. Okay, so this scent is inspired by Marc Jacobs Daisy. The concentration on this fragrance is 20%, you guys. And let's go ahead and get into testing the smell because we need to see what it smells like. Okay, and I never smelled Marc Jacobs Daisy, you guys, so I can't really let you guys know this time around if it's actually a great dupe or not. So this actually really do smell like this smells like a great summer smell, y'all. And the first scent that I'm getting is the violet. I'm also getting the gardenia and strawberry, you guys. So strong. Yeah, it smells like flowers. Yeah, and the vanilla. That's the smells that I'm getting so far, you guys. But it smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. So this is definitely a win-win. So this one is the Floral Violet. I'm going to have all of Dossier's information in my description below, so you guys can be sure to check out them, you know, for all your fragrance needs, you guys. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. This one to the side. The next one is Ambery Vanilla. So this is what it looks like. And you guys already know the box it comes in. And the box says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So this scent notes are the top notes. And this one is pear, pink pepper, licorice. Middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom. And the base notes are cedar wood, vanilla, coffee, and I'm not sure this other word is, so I'm not even gonna try to say it for I butcher it. Okay, so this one is inspired by YSL, you guys, Black Optum. I think that's what it's saying. Okay, it's giving 15% concentration. So let's go ahead and smell this one and see what this one smells like. And also with this one, I'm not sure what YSL Black Optum smell like, you guys. Never had it before, but I'm pretty sure because I've seen women rave about that fragrance a lot. So let's see. This smells so good, y'all. This one smells like berries. I don't know. I'm not sure if I smell I smell maybe the pear. Maybe a little bit of orange blossom. I don't smell mandarin. I smell that. Maybe a little bit of jasmine, y'all, but the other notes are like, I don't really smell it. But this right here, I can only imagine what the real fragrance smell like, y'all. This right here smells so good, y'all. I'm gonna let Babe smell this. I'm gonna let you guys hear what he got to say. Babe, come here. All right, baby, tell him what this smell like. Smell it.
What it smell like?
Just tell him how good it smells.
Oh yeah, that smells real good.
Don't it smell good?
That smells expensive.
It do. It do.
Well, I can copy one of these. Most definitely.
Y'all, this actually really do smell expensive, okay?
That promo code.
Yeah, definitely use my promo code, you guys. And don't forget that the top is magnetic, y'all. Yeah, I actually do love Dossier, you guys. I definitely worked with them in the past, and I am not BSing you guys, y'all. This smells so good. I'm definitely going to leave all of Dossier's information, like I said, in my description, so you guys can be sure to check them out. Don't forget to use my discount code as well. But let's go ahead and get into today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of the beautiful women out here doing a daggone thing, you guys. So I am getting ready to go to lunch, breakfast with my sisters. So yeah, but I'm dressed and ready. I have this. I'll show you guys the dress that I have on in a minute. I was trying to show you guys, but I can't. But I'm gonna show you guys this dress real quick, and yeah, take you guys along with me for today. I hope you guys are having a great Mother's Day. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you guys did, even if you just relaxed today. So yeah. Y'all, this dress is so cute, but I have to put some leggings on because, you know, my thighs is like, yeah. So I'm gonna get some leggings, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so I'm in the car with my sister. My two sisters gave me roses, and I got cards for my sisters. My sister got some pretty hair, right, y'all? And my other sister. So yeah, you guys, so we're on our way to dinner. I mean, well, we're on our way to breakfast, but if we don't make breakfast, you guys, because the place that we was planning on going to, my brother keeps trying to call for us, and they're not getting any answers. So I guess we'll end up going to somewhere else. So I'll let you guys know that once we get to wherever we go to. So yeah, you guys. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome, sweetheart. Y'all ready for some anything? Good. Okay, well, let me know, okay? All right, thank you. You're welcome back. You don't got no space. How that right, Say happy Mother's Day to my sister. I'm getting it in a minute. I feel like my belly's sitting up like on my lap. Oh yeah, man. I feel like it is. These cabbages, this is gross. It's so gross. You said it, huh, Mom? How about this cabbage? was having so much fun being with my mom and my sisters, y'all. The laughters, the good vibes. It was amazing. Y'all, so we giving our mother our gift from all of us, from all her kids. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I'm trying to get Kiki back there. Kiki say hey. Kima, Isha, Dre.
And of course the queen and the mom.
Yes, you guys. My mom. Here you go, Mom.
Open it right here.
Yeah, go ahead and open it, girl. Happy Mother's Day.
In here.
Uh-huh.
What's this? Oh my God.
I'm just about to snap some pictures of this moment.
Is this the mother ring? Yeah.
Let me see, Mom. Let them see.
Oh my God. Oh, we wanted one.
Mom, don't make me cry now. I'm trying to mess my makeup up.
Yeah.
Lord.
Thank y'all.
I'm almost crying.
Team, don't cry.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Mommy hand shaking.
Yep. Thank you. Love y'all. Thank y'all. I wanted one. Everybody got it.
Go ahead and put it on, girl.
Kima, come here.
She crying. Okay, guys, so right now we are driving on our way to Virginia. You guys, it was really, really ugly outside on this day, which was Mother's Day, you guys. But we ended up enjoying ourselves anyway, you guys. Babe took me there after leaving my brother's house, and just spending time with my mom and them and my sisters. I actually enjoyed myself, y'all. I went shopping for dresses. You guys already know I love dresses. And I also went to Olive Garden, and I ended up getting me some shrimp Alfredo, you guys, which was so good. They ended up getting him the tour of Italy, I believe that's what it's called, from Olive Garden, y'all, and it was so good. Okay, we both ended up enjoying our dinner. Later, we got the kids some pizza. Y'all already know they can't go nowhere without wanting pizza. So we ended up treating them to pizza for Mother's Day, y'all. But honestly, I really enjoyed myself. I got to spend time by myself with my sisters and, you know, my family. And just going to Golden Corral. You guys don't understand how happy I was to be by myself for that couple of hours. Alright guys, so I'm home and Babe has my bath water ran. So we're about to take us a bubble bath and just relax, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed your Mother's Day, y'all. I enjoyed mine to the fullest with Babe, with my mom, my sisters, and just everybody that was with us today. I just enjoyed myself, y'all. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed your Mother's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video.